Many people are confused about Microsoft Fabric. They open Fabric, see so many options like Lakehouse, Warehouse, Data Flow, Notebook, and Power BI. They get confused and immediately they think this is too big. I can't learn it. If you feel like that, don't worry. In this video, I will tell you exactly how to learn Microsoft Fabric from scratch, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. This video contains only practical guidance. Let's start. First mistake many people make is trying to learn everything at once. Don't do that. Before touching anything, understand one simple thing. That is, Microsoft Fabric is one platform that combines multiple data tools into one. For example, think of it like all Azure data tools plus Power BI packed into one single place. That's it. For right now, don't go deep, just understand this idea first. If you are new, this is the best starting point. Why? Because Power BI is the easiest entry into Fabric. You can start with importing some Excel data and creating a simple report using that Excel data and publish it inside the Fabric. What it will help? It helps to get familiar with that UI, and then you can understand workspaces and see how Fabric feels. Even data engineers should start here. Now comes storage. In Fabric, don't try warehouse first. Warehouse or KQL or everything. First, just focus on Lakehouse. Why Lakehouse? Because it supports various files, it supports tables, and Power BI can read from it, and notebooks work with it only. You can learn only these things first, like uploading a file, creating a table, and see the data. That's enough for now in this. Next, once you understand storage, injection is the next process. This is very beginner friendly. You can start with Excel source or SQL. You don't want to start with pipeline immediately. You can just start with source, transformation, and destination first. That will be a simple way. Now you may think, do I need any coding knowledge like Spark, Python, or SQL? Then relax. You can start with using data flow transformations and basic SQL queries inside Lakehouse first. Only after that you can slowly explore notebooks, PySpark, or Scala, so there is no rush. At this stage, you should connect the dots. Think like source, Lakehouse, and Power BI. That's your base architecture. Once you understand this flow, then Fabric becomes much easier for you. Everything is just an extension. In this, big mistake beginners make is watching random videos in YouTube or jumping between tools and trying advanced topics too early. Please don't do that. Master basics first. Fabric rewards step by step learning later. In the next video, I will show a real learning roadmap with hands-on demos or real projects. If you are serious about learning Microsoft Fabric, then subscribe, like this video, and comment your opinion. See you in the next one.